Hi everyone! Nice to see you again over the screen. I hope you're all doing well and you're all staying safe. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about pets. So I'm going to show you my pet. Hold on. This is my dog Max. You say hi? Say hi. He's a little shy. He just woke up from his nap. Oh, but this is my buddy. He is part Bichon Frise, part Yorkie, and he's very sleepy right now. All right, I'm going to put him down. Okay, he's probably gonna cry now for the rest of the video, but it's okay. So I found some information on pets and I'm gonna read it to you and then we'll talk about it at the end. Millions of people in the world own a pet. It could be a cat, dog, hamster, gerbil, turtle, snake, fish, bird, pig, or many other kinds of animals. You may even have a classroom pet. Many people may also own mice, rats, chickens, roosters, pigs, and various kinds of farm animals. The pets people take care of in their homes or school are called domesticated animals. It's a long word, but it simply means a tamed animal that lives with people in their homes or on a farm. A domesticated animal is not used for food, but it is often taken care of just like a member of the family. In the United States, about 1/3 of homes have a pet. You may have a pet too. If you have a pet, let me know. I want to know. If you can send me a picture, especially if it's a dog, let me know. I love dogs. In 2012, people in the US owned around 58 million fish, over 3 million rabbits, about 3 million turtles, nearly 8 million birds, almost 5 million horses, and 1 million of each of snakes, lizards, guinea pigs, and hamsters. However, the domesticated animals, or pets, people own the most are cats and dogs. In 2012, people in the United States owned about 74 million cats and 70 million dogs. If you or your family do not own a cat or a dog, it is most likely that you see a cat or a dog being walked by its owner or a stray dog or cat walking through the neighborhood. Cats and dogs are interesting animals, and as you know, they are not the same, have different histories, as well as different behaviors and personalities. There are also many different breeds of cats and dogs. A breed is a specific group or a kind of cat or dog. There are many cat breeds and dog breeds. So first, we're going to talk about cats. The most common pet in America is the cat. A cat is also called a feline, its official scientific name. Cats have been in the world for a long time and first became domesticated or tamed over 4,000 years ago in Egypt. The ancient Egyptians used cats to protect their food from their pests. The cat had a place of honor. Was admired as a hunter, and was worshipped as a god or goddess by the Egyptians. As time passed, the cat became more domesticated and tamed, and other civilizations began to own them. They first became popular in Italy and then slowly spread throughout Europe. What? Sorry. When people from England came to settle in America, they also brought cats with them as pets. The cat also spread throughout India, China, and Japan. International Cat Day is celebrated throughout the world every October 29th. By the 1700s, cats were popular throughout the entire world. Today, there are more than 500 million cats living in the world. So there are many different breeds of cats, including the American bobtail cat, short hair and wire hair, Bengal, Burmese, Manx, Persian, Oriental, Sphynx, Siberian, and others. You may also hear the term feral cat, which is not a cat breed, but a cat that will not socialize with people and lives outdoors on its own. There are also stray cats that do socialize with people, but have often been abandoned by owners. So here are all the different types. Well, it's not all the different types, but here are some types of cats. So which one is your favorite? I think the Bengal cat is pretty cool. I love his fur. Like, isn't that awesome? So let me know which one is your favorite. Which cat breed is your favorite? All right, so some interesting facts about cats. They usually weigh between 8 to 11 pounds. They have powerful vision, 6 times better than humans. They're very sneaky and they're great hunters. And they have excellent hearing and a strong sense of smell. Okay. So now we're going to talk about dogs. Every August 26th is an important day for canines, which is another word you can use for dog. It's its scientific name. Because in the United States, it is National Dog Day. Dogs are like a wolf. Domesticated dogs came from feral wolves thousands of years ago. The first domesticated wolves may have appeared about 30 to 40,000 years ago in parts of Asia. Other evidence shows that dogs might have been in Africa over 100,000 years ago. Nearly all dogs today came from Asian dogs. Dogs were companions for those who traveled and set up campsites. Originally, dogs were used to keep the campsites clean. They ate rats and cleaned up garbage. The campsites were cleaner and healthier for the people who used them. Later, people learned that dogs could be used to scare away larger animals by barking, to help hunters, to pull sleds, and much more. Okay, there are hundreds of breeds of dogs. So here they are, some of them, and many mixed breed dogs. So my dog over here, like I said before, Max is a mixed breed dog. So he's not cooperating with me at all right now. So we'll see if he'll sit in my lap. Okay. Some of the most popular breeds include the Labrador Retriever, German Shepherd, Golden Retriever, Bulldog, Beagle, Poodle, Rottweiler, Terrier, Boxer, Husky, and Great Dane. So look at all those breeds and look at all the different types. Like, they all look so different to me and they're all unique in their own way. So look at all the pictures and you tell me which one is your favorite. Okay. So some interesting facts about dogs. They have exceptional hearing. Their sense of smell is 1,000,000 times better than humans. And because dogs have formed such strong bonds with humans, they're called man's best friend. Okay. Dogs are much easier to train than cats, and they can be trained at any age. But sometimes it is hard to break their old habits and behaviors. Many people believe dogs sweat by panting and salivating, but they sweat through the pads of their feet. Did you know that? I didn't. Dogs and cats can be found throughout the world as pets. There are dog lovers and there are cat lovers, and sometimes people argue over which pet is the best. So which pet do you think is the best? If you own a dog or a cat, or if you get a cat or dog in the future, it is important to care for it. When taking a dog for a walk, be sure to clean up after it. Cats usually don't need to be taken for a walk like a dog, but they use litter boxes which also need to be clean. You must be responsible when owning a dog or cat, and they will love you for it. Dogs and cats bring people many years of joy and pleasure. Okay, so imagine you could be turned into a dog or a cat. What breed of cat or dog would you want to be and why? Would you want to be a small breed so you can be cuddled and held? Or would you want to be a big breed so you could run around the yard and chase things and carry around sticks and things like that? All right, and just some review. So, cat or dog? So, here's a few statements from the passage I read, and I want you to tell me if this statement has to do with a cat or a dog. So, often called man's best friend. Is that cat or dog? All right, how about powerful night vision? Is that cat or dog? How about once were kept to clean campsites? Is that cats or dogs? And usually weigh between 8 to 11 pounds. Is that cat or dog? All right. Feel free to send me your answers if you wrote them down. Send me a little message. Let me know if you need help with your homework or your assignments or anything. I'd love to help. But I'm going to go feed my dog now because he's hungry and he smells dinner. Um, but I hope you all have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.